Hi, in this short video we're going to show you how to record your lessons easily. So if you'd like to record a 45-minute lesson and send it to your trainer to review, there's a really easy way to do this with great picture quality and great sound, and keep watching because we're going to show you how to do it. First of all, you're going to need to download this app from the App Store. It's called DUALGRAM, and I'll put a link in the description, and I'll also have a look for the Android equivalent. Next, go on Amazon and buy yourself a car phone mount, one that can sit on the dashboard like this, so you can just pop your phone in and position it so you can get a really good position for recording your lessons. That's it, you're done, ready to start recording. The app is completely free, but I would recommend upgrading to the Pro version because then you can set the position of the smaller screen and get it just where you want it. I'd also recommend plugging your phone in so you've got a good power source, and put the air conditioner on just so the phone keeps cool and doesn't overheat. Okay, I've just had a PDI upload a video to me which I'm now going to go and watch and give feedback on. So watch to the end because I'll include a link to that video with some of my feedback. If you'd like me to review one of your lessons, then go out and record one, get in touch, and I'll let you know where you can upload the video so I can see it. And then I will give you some good honest feedback on that lesson. It is a paid for service, so I'll let you know about prices when we talk. So look forward to hearing from you, and as always I will see you in the next video.
Okay, right, so well, it started raining quite heavy. Okay, so we are doing independent driving.